Hi guys, I'm super excited for today's video because I'm doing a home decor haul. I picked up a few things for my place as well as I picked up some things for a subscriber's place, which is also super exciting. Before we get into the haul, I wanted to say a huge thank you because today's video is actually brought to you guys by Squarespace. So whether you're in the market for a new website, a domain, an online store, Squarespace has got you covered. And I will talk a little bit more about Squarespace after we're done with the haul. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the one item that I got from the thrift store that I don't think I shared in my last video, but it was just a one-off. I randomly was like, let me just go into the thrift store today, and I found this beautiful tray. It's nice and round, and it was exactly what I was looking for my new coffee table. So I actually did get a new coffee table. I'll insert a clip of it here. I totally forgot I could add that in this haul. So it's just a round white concrete table from CB2. I was looking for something on the round side to put like in the middle. I just thought that that would look really good, and I couldn't find anything that I liked. And then when I saw this, I was like, this is literally exactly what I'm looking for, and this was only $5.99. So again, also a super good deal. I also have a few more things to share with you, like the coffee table, where I can't exactly lift them up because they're on the larger side, but a lot of you guys were asking about this piece here, and it's actually a twin bed headboard. It does come in queen and king. I personally got the twin headboard and I wanted to turn it into like a seating area. So I figured I could put it against the wall with a bench in front of it and kind of style it with two pillows and make it like a little seating area. That was my vision for it. And again, it will be linked down below. It's from Amazon. I'll have the links to everything in the description box, but I thought it was a really good piece, really good quality. I think it's a good price, especially if you're actually gonna use it for a headboard. It's a pretty good deal. The next thing, I finally picked up some wall art for my living room, and I went with this particular piece that I saw from Urban Outfitters. I immediately fell in love with it. I was like, I have to have that. It's like perfect. It's exactly what I was looking for. It looks very unique. I just wanted something simple, black and white. So I picked that up, and I did opt to get it framed because I don't know if you guys can tell how big this is, but it was such a big piece. And when I was looking at the prices just for a frame of that size, it was so expensive. So it definitely was the better route to go ahead and get it framed. But this particular piece on their site does come in several different sizes, and you can get it framed and unframed. They have different frame options. So pretty much you can get it any way that would work for your particular area in your home. And then another thing that I recently picked up from Urban, which is also for my living room, it is this stool slash little side table piece. Now, when I look at this piece and I compare it to what I paid for it, I can't believe that it was like so affordable. This was only $39.99, and when you look at the detailing on it and just like how awesome this piece is, you would definitely even pay more for something like this at Target. So I was like, wow, that was such a good deal. And then on top of it, I had a coupon, so definitely a steal. And if you're interested in it, I would highly recommend picking it up before it sells out. Okay, and now moving on to a few things that I got from Target. I just got a couple, and I did want to share this piece actually because I'm getting so many questions on it, and I never really like showed it in a haul, but this is my laser level that I've been using. Basically, this little piece suctions onto your wall, and it creates a laser, and it just basically is a laser leveler. So that little laser that comes out is level, and then that's how you know where you can like hang stuff. This thing comes in handy. I've already used it so many times. Definitely worth it. It's like around 20 bucks. And yeah, totally would recommend it. I'll link it down below. A ton of you guys have been asking about it. And then the next two things that I got from Target were on sale, and I went back and forth on if I needed this. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna pick it up, and if I decide not to use it, I'll bring it back. And for whatever reason, this rang up on clearance, so it was like $13.63 instead of $17.99. So it wasn't even in the sale section, so I felt like that was a sign for me to keep it. And then if you guys watched a previous video, I did show like a shower curtain that I was like in love with, and I got it, and I never put it up because I was like, should I get like a white cloth shower curtain? I was like, is it gonna get dirty? Are you gonna see like all the spots and whatnot? And then I saw this in the clearance rack for $17.48. It's like a linen, and then it has like a little white detailing on it, and I just thought that this would go so much better in my bathroom, and it's not like a stark white, so I don't have to really worry about little marks or if it gets stains or anything like that on it. And again, I never saw this in the regular section when it was at Target when I was like making my selection, so that was super cool and I'm excited to put this up. You guys should be getting my bathroom makeover super soon. I think I pretty much almost have everything to do that. So now moving on to World Market, I got a few things for myself and a few things for a subscriber. If you guys have been watching my videos until the very end, you guys would know that I'm doing subscriber room makeovers again, and I already went over it in that video, how you can enter or submit yourself and everything. So if you missed that video, you should be watching my videos all the way to the end. But anyways, I picked up a few things for her place because I think all in all I'll end up doing 2 makeovers at her spot. Just given like the pictures and stuff that I got, we can do 2. So I'm doing like a little kind of like entryway, like random area that she has. So I went ahead and picked up this pillow again because I personally have it. I love it. The texture on it is awesome. World Market has some really good like quality pillows like this. And then to go along with that, I got another one of these. So I think that this will look really good, like both of these together, and you guys will see what we're using those for in an upcoming video. And then I also got this hanging planter. IKEA has one too that I'm gonna go ahead and pick up, but I wanted to check this one out and see, just because I'm not sure about her length from like the ceiling to the floor. That's one measurement I forgot to ask her about. So we'll see if this hanging planter works. And then the few things that I picked up for myself were just, this is a like longer length bath mat, and this was only $16.99, and I just love like the tassel fringes on it and the detailing. I thought it was a really great price, especially because I didn't want to invest a lot of money in a like beige lighter color bath mat, because I do know over time these do get stained, but $16.99 was such a good price. And it's basically double the size. I'll insert a clip, but it's double the size that you see here, so it's a really, really big bath mat. Then I just got a few little random knickknacks, so I ended up getting this mug, which I thought was super cute. It has like the distressed detailing on it and little etches in it. It looks really handmade, and that is what like drew me to this. And then I got this wooden plate. I thought that these combined together would look really great in my bathroom. So the plate I'll just have setting down, and then this will have like Q-tips or something in it. And then I'll have my soap dispenser and my lotion dispenser all on here. Thought it was really great, and this was only $9.99, which was a lot cheaper than a lot of the wooden trays I was seeing other places like Crate and Barrel and whatnot. And then this was $6.99. And then the last little thing I picked up was just this little like rosebud vase or whatever. I thought that it looked very rustic, and I definitely could see it fitting into my apartment somewhere. And this was $5.99. So yeah, those were the items that I picked up. I will have everything linked in the description box down below, as well as I might link in the description box down below the video where you guys can check out where I did ask and go over how you can submit for a room makeover. That'll be in the description box down below, so be sure to check that out. But now I'm gonna continue talking about Squarespace. So Squarespace basically just makes it easy for you guys to create a website, whether that be for your business or whether you want to create an online store. They have amazing customizable templates that are super easy to use, and even if you do need some help with that, they have award-winning customer service. So all in all, you can create what you've been dreaming of with Squarespace. So if you want to check out Squarespace and use it for yourself, head on over to squarespace.com/Nastazsa. You can start your free trial as well as get 10% off a website or domain. So I will have that linked in the description box down below for you to check out. And again, a huge thank you for them sponsoring today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye!